Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to generate the reports by using SQL syntaxes after considering Excel as database. In this workbook I have 3 tabs. First one is introduction, second one is queries, and third one is database. This is the database tab. In this tab I have 2 tables. First one is sales and second one is region. As part of this process, first I am defining the names, so click on naming tables button. Here we can find application created the names for those 2 tables. This is the region table. And it is for sales table. In queries tab I have 3 headers. First one is query, second one is syntax, and third one is sheet name. To generate the reports, click on SQL queries button. After completion of the process, application returns the message box as task completed. Click on OK. Here application created different tabs for each and every query. So this is the database and this is the result. This is the query and this is the syntax. Likewise, application created different tabs for each and every query. Click on go to index page to navigate to queries tab. After completion of the process, to delete the existing sheets, click on delete sheets button. Then application deletes all the tabs except first 3 sheets. So this is the brief introduction about the functionality of this template. Hope this template is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.